Ooh.
I'm adorable. Anyway. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this every Thursday and Sunday. It's pretty great stuff, so you can go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. I won't wait because you have this entire video and then some to go ahead and do that. We're gonna go ahead and get right into it. It's another Birchbox. I think this is Birchbox number 4. I can't remember because I lost track, because that happens a lot. But I did find out my gifted Birchbox membership was actually 6 months and not 3 months. I thought it was 3 months. Could have sworn. Oh well. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and move forward with this. I am pretty happy that I get to continue with this. And let's open this up. Of course. All right, that's a no on that side. It's usually one of these sides that don't want to open, and this time it's the front. Excuse me while I struggle to open this. It's okay, I might just run my nails, but whatever. And a little confusing because my Birchbox comes with a box inside the box, but this box is really cute, so we can go ahead and forgive it and keep the box. Birchbox for the month of May. Ooh, this is cute. It says this box is recyclable, reuse me. I am definitely reusing these. These are the cutest little gifty boxes I've ever seen. Ever since, what was it? It was the Target beauty box, I think. Those were cute too. Very like, I was gonna say like hippie vibes, but then my mom came to mind, and of course like it's mom month, so maybe they had a plan. Cute. My mom's gift did not fit in the box, however, so oh well. And of course inside our box we have our little card that tells us all about the contents of our box and this month's theme. And then the box itself is wrapped in very nice green tissue paper. I love their wrapping too. It's like a gift. In this case it is a gift from Boo to me, but it's like a gift. Had I bought it for myself, you know what I mean. Anyhoozle, the card here, it's of course Birchbox. It says, hello sunshine, spring looks good on you. And I don't know, I'm really more of a winter girl, but spring is okay too. I'm not gonna lie, spring is pretty nice. All right, and it just kind of goes into the box. There's not really anything additional on here, so let's just go ahead and jump into it. Yeah. All right, so where we left off was this cute green wrapping paper. Oh. And here we have our 5 samples. Oh my god, this box smells so good. It reminds me of like one of these old Barbie dolls my mom used to have. And she smelled like this. Hella sophisticated business lady, but she wore that jean jacket like nobody's business. That was Boss Barbie, let me tell you. Anyway, before I get too stuck up in the smell, let's move on. The first item that I'm going to pull out here is from AMIKA. It is the KURE Multitask Repair Treatment. This fast-acting rinse-out treatment doubles as a leave-in to strengthen your strands and repair damage in 60 seconds. Apply to damp hair, leave on for 2 to 3 minutes, and then rinse. So like a super conditioner. Oh, here it is. Cute. And that's a pretty good size because I don't know if you've noticed, but my pillow is not very short. It is a lot. So this will come in handy. I like the packaging, of course, for AMIKA. They do have very interesting and out there packaging. This is very liquidy. Very liquidy. I wonder if you're what smells. I wonder if you are what is smelling. Packaging smells like it, but I'm gonna have to give this a try. My hair has been a little iffy lately. I've been going through it, switching up some shampoos, Still using the same deep conditioner, but trying something new wouldn't hurt. It's pretty good. So it's a treatment for my hair. Cute. And the full size version of this is $28, so not too bad if I get attached to this. Next on the list here we have something from Balance Me. It is a BHA exfoliating concentrate. This chemical exfoliant gently removes dead skin cells, reduces blemishes, and improves the hydration to reveal brighter skin. Apply to face and let it dry before applying your next step. Wait, what? You just leave it, like you let it stay? What? Okay, this one. It's a liquid. You can see it in there. It's a liquid. For a minute, I thought it was like a powder or something, but nope. So it's a chemical exfoliant, but you leave it on. First of all, I've never heard of this brand. So that's pretty cool. I get to try something new, and you bet I'm going to be trying this because my skin has been going through it lately. I've been trying to like mix up my skincare because I got the lash extension, so I didn't know what did or didn't have oils in it to try and help with the lashes and stay. So it's been a bit of a mess, to put it lightly. But it just says apply to a beauty pad, gently wipe over a cleansed dry skin, avoiding the delicate eye areas, and no rinsing required. That's pretty cool, actually. I wonder. I don't think you're what smells, but that's pretty cool. The full size version of this retails for $37.50. Simple packaging. Pretty promising results. As far as I'm concerned, that right now in my life, that's pretty promising. So I wonder how that would work out. On to the next item. We have something from Dr. Lip. It is an original nipple balm for lips. And the full size retails for $14.50. It's a multi-purpose 100% natural finish working to rehydrate skin and lips, soothe sunburns, tame unruly brows, and nourish thirsty cuticles. We are a multi-tool. Where are you? Is that... Of course, it's the tiniest little thing I have in my bag, and this is itty bitty. Itty bitty. Teeny tiny, itty bitty little thing. For dry skin, luscious lips, and glossy bits. Okay. 100% natural, multi-award-winning balm, famous for one product, 100 uses. Where you apply it is your business. Okay. That is really cute. That's a tiny little amount to try too. But, I mean, it is just samples. This is the smallest sample I think I've gotten in a long time. But cool. Thank you. The fourth item in the box this month, it is from Oribe. It is a Grandiose hair plumping mousse. Full size retails for $39. I've also never heard of this brand, fun fact. It is to amp up the volume with this luxe mousse that delivers crunch-free body. Work with a golf ball sized dollop through the damped hair, then scrunch, blow dry for even more volume. And what the heck? Okay, it's you. I wonder if you're what smells. I'm pretty sure it's the hair mask treatment thing that smells. Just throwing it out there. I am not big on mousse. I don't really use any products in my hair. The only thing that I've started using since I cut my bangs again was the heat protector for when I have to curl them or straighten them, and that's it. I don't do anything to the rest of my hair. I don't curl it, I don't straighten it, I don't do any other, okay, I use leave-in conditioner. That's it. So I'm probably gonna have to pass this on to somebody who can use it. Yeah. Sounds pretty cool though. I mean, good for you, mousse. I don't really have much to say about this. Sorry. I'm not a big mousse girl. I'm not a big mousse girl, I guess. The last product that we have here is from YENSA. I believe I picked this one. It is a Skin on Skin BC foundation, SPF 40. The full size retails for $38 in the shade medium warm. I'm definitely not a medium. I'm gonna let everybody know that right now. I have gone to a light. Thank you, pandemic, for cutting out all of my summer activities last year, and I hope it doesn't butt into it too much this year, but I'm not a medium. I'm a light to fair, probably. Very light of a person. Says this full coverage formula brightens skin and blurs pores, lines, and imperfections, infused with their property 8 Super Blacks Essence and SPF 40, just applied to prime skin. What is proprietary 8 Super Blacks Essence? The one? Huh. I don't know. I don't think you're gonna be, oh, it's sealed. I don't think this is gonna be my shade. I'll have to look it up online and check. I don't want to open it and break the seal because I think I can pass this on to somebody who might be able to use it. I know usually when I get something that's a little too dark for me, I can go ahead and sheer it out, but this says it's more of like a full coverage kind of item, so I wonder if I'm actually going to be able to. I don't know. I could try, but then, you know, why would I if it's not even my shade? Then again, they are just samples. Here is my Birchbox for the month of May. I like pretty much everything that's in here. If I would have to rate it, I'm probably going to be able to use at least 3 out of 5 of these products. I have absolutely no interest in using the mousse, and I'm super tempted to try the foundation, but I'm still kind of iffy just because I don't want to put it on and it's going to be like super deep or super dark, and it's just not going to work for me. I don't want to waste products either. I don't know, we'll see. But this is everything I ended up getting in my Birchbox for the month of May. If you got anything different or you chose anything different, because I know sometimes you can choose whatever is in there, sometimes you miss it. I'm really great at missing those time windows, except for this. I don't know, they're really good at reminding me, which I really love. Thank you, Birchbox. I love that it shows up on time. I really like that I get a lot of products that are new to me, but they're higher end than versus like my IFFY where I get samples in there too. This comes more towards the beginning of the month, usually before the 8th or the 10th, which is great. I don't feel like it's fully customized to me yet, if that kind of makes sense, because there's still a lot of products that I get in here, like hair stuff, that I'm not really gonna use. I'm not big on the hair stuff. Sorry, I'm just not. I have my own stuff. I use it. I'm very particular about it. Yeah. My face, however, we're still exploring all of that. It's like changes every day. Good stuff. Anyway, if you like your Birchbox, let me know. You don't like it, I kind of also want to know, because I want to know, like, maybe I'm not the only one who's having these issues. Maybe I am. I don't know. But I will catch you next time. Thanks for hanging out. And remember, Thursday, Sunday. Bye.